Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in my YouTube channel, Practical Civil Engineers. In the continuation of previous lecture of estimating and costing by engineer Muhammad Bilal, this one is lecture number 6. I will also share the link of previous lectures in link in the description. So in our today's lecture we are going to discuss the carpet area. So carpet area in a building is that area of the usable space of room at any floor is termed as carpet area. Means that if we have a room like this one is the room, and this one is wall. There are four walls. Inside these four walls, this area will be called carpet area. But the carpet area excluding area of wall. So in simple words, the total area of a floor excluding wall is called carpet area. It is measured between wall to wall. Means here is four walls. This is short walls, these are short walls, and these are long walls. So excluding the thickness of this wall and this wall, this will be suppose the length of carpet area, and excluding this wall and this wall, the shorter length will be suppose the width of the carpet area. So it is the sum of actual area which can be carpet. So in this figure we will discuss the carpet area in detail. So this area is called carpet area, the total plot area. So we lift the surrounding area from this building. So this one is the length of the length of plinth area. This one from this to this one is the length of this one is the length of plinth area, and this one is the breadth of plinth area. So by multiplication, this length into breadth will be plinth area, and when we deduct the thickness of this wall and this wall from the length of plinth area, so this length will be suppose for carpet area, and deduction of this wall and this wall, so this is the breadth of the carpet area. By multiplying these two dimensions, so we will obtain the carpet area. So in the carpet area we will deduct the number of column and its area. So we will obtain the actual carpet area by deducting many columns. So following are not included in carpet area. So which type of things are not, which type of areas are not included in carpet area? So wall area are not included in carpet area. Verandas are not included in carpet area. Corridors are not included in carpet area. Passages are not included in carpet area. Entrance hall is not included in carpet area. Porch are not included in carpet area. Stairs, stair covers, bathrooms, machine rooms, kitchen, pantry, store, canteen, etc. So this is the lecture for carpet area. This is the lecture on carpet area. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for receiving more updates and information. So thank you for watching. Keep watching the video. Thank you.